Menteri Rambak Kajalau Konrad Sangma Ula Kular ka kenhun ka belalam do ba Charles Marngar MLA jong ka mahoti konstituensi Masyan ka sarkar kan saino deka community and rural development block na kam tai pai ba jong ka mahoti. Kini kalau hadin baki pai ba jong ka mahoti apo ka jalam jong ba Charles ke lebih kendu ya Konrad Sangma menta ka sengi. Kini ka jong Kular jong Konrad Sangma ya ba Charles kalong ro hadin malami ki khobor kini ki sengi ki beladap. Bawa Charles sungkat baki arngot ki MLA jika sang kongres kilap berpenyasok no baka sang National People's Party. Kiri pai perman ki ong lak bandi kini ke cengkular kerki jong umat dirang ba ban ai no da ka blok hapo mawati kia ka balese an Rung NPP nak lang ki MLA jika sang kongres ko ba Charles baki kuai onam lak ban ai ka syuki minister Henry nun ai ka sene di blok.
Delegation from Mauhati constituency has met me, which was headed by the local MLA from Mauhati, Charles Mananger, and many leaders from Mauhati constituency. And they had shared with me the different needs of Mauhati constituency, explaining to me that how currently the constituency is divided into two different blocks which are quite far away, one in Bhoirumbong area and one is in Umsning, and in some areas people have to even travel over 80 kilometers to reach the block headquarter, which is very difficult and challenging for the people and also for the government to be able to provide proper service to the grassroots people. So on basis of that, the Honorable MLA Charles and his leaders have requested if a new C&RD block can be constructed in or can be sanctioned for Mauhati area, and this proposal was put in. I'm happy to inform you as well as the people of Mauhati constituency that in principle I have accepted that proposal, and we are going to start the process of a sanction for a new C&RD block in Mauhati so that the people can get better service and access to the different schemes of the government through this new Mauhati C&RD block. At the same time, there was a request for the Sonidan to Umsiang road, which is again a very important connectivity for the people. On this front also, I have given assurance that there is the new package of the World Bank is coming up. In that package, I have assured the people of Mauhati area that this particular road under the new World Bank sanction will be taken up. Already it is in the list, in fact, and the DPR is being prepared. At the same time, there are certain areas where there are schools that are required, especially areas which are school-less right now, and those village names were given, about 7 or 8 of them. I have assured the delegation that through my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be sanctioning certain amount so that these school buildings can be constructed. So it was a very positive meeting. I have seen that Mauhati constituency has been neglected a lot. There's not enough development in the past, and therefore a lot needs to be done. And I'm sure now with the active role that the local MLA is playing, we will be able to see much more development coming into the constituency of Mauhati. Thank you very much.
Wachas ulia thuru ba mtangka C&RD block nrei nagayang jo ul submit ru yakam marnam haban kantiu ko dani ka bun ki primary health center na deban sengthamai ki primary health center hapo Mauhati constituency.
Kawai ke banga kumpulan kawai dia bagi PHC upgradation of sub center to PHC. Hang ni hingga awak mention tang arteli, but kini ki arteli ki banga awak mention Kadei ki balak don kampalan. Hamau hati ngidon tang kawai ke PHC nang tu kawan syaduk syam try. Te kala idei ke por based on population kajing don breu. Kala idei ke por hakabangin yo no sakawai ke PHC hasonidan. Kaniru kala deban ai de memorandum to Chief Minister pat ke baar. Kaniru kalong top priority hakabangin la dei ban yo no ya ke PHC Primary Health Center hangtei hapo maurong. Pan upgrade no upgradation ya ke sub center maurong syaka maurong PHC. Ini kidai ki bangi labu dia kabade ba kaniru yang CM Kular penpek benia penuatnya namar pa kidon ki guidelines haban base ka population bat kum ta ter kanun ke survey ba kum ta ter nagaleng sungang pa ba ji sukaman kabade ba kaniru namar pa positive response nagaleng Chief Minister.